Well, hello again everybody. Not only does the poor old Mutt Mastiff need a clean again, but also the battery isn't holding a charge. So while I've been waiting for a new battery to be delivered, I've been having to push start the bike to get to work, and a few folk have told me that they weren't sure how you push started a bike, so I thought I'd make this quick video just to show you how I do it. So the first thing I'm going to do is just tap the bike up into third or fourth gear really. May have to roll the bike about a bit to get it to shift. Now I'm going to turn the ignition on. Then I'm going to make sure I've got a nice wide space to push start the car without anything in the way. Also don't really want it sloping downhill because I don't want the bike to run away with me and me not to be able to control it, and also it'd be pretty hard to do it uphill as well, so it needs to be nice and flat. So I'm going to put the stand up out the way and then hold the clutch in, and I'm going to run with it as fast as I can, and then when I think I'm up to suitable speed I'll drop the clutch out. Hopefully the bike will start, and then I'll quickly pull the clutch back in again. Let's see how that goes. So now I'll kick it down back into neutral. Stick the stand down. And there we go. Push started bike. It's dead simple really. I reckon pretty much anyone should be able to do that, especially with a light bike like a 125. Well, hopefully my new battery will arrive soon.